The story began when a strange watch stuck itself to his wrist, falling straight from space. A normal kid named Ben Tennyson found a mysterious alien device that crashed to Earth. A watch that isn't exactly a watch. It's called the Omnitrix. With it, Ben can transform into different alien species, each with their own unique powers. From creatures made of fire to beings capable of bending the universe itself. So today, we're counting down Ben's 10 most powerful aliens, starting with the strong ones and ending with the truly unstoppable. 10. Heatblast. First up, we have Heatblast, a living alien made of volcanic rock and pure fire. He can shoot fireballs, control magma, and even fly using bursts of flame. Basically, he's a walking volcano. And when Ben really lets loose, Heatblast can turn a normal fight into something that looks a lot like a natural disaster. Not bad for an alien that looks like he just walked out of a cosmic barbecue. One interesting detail about Heatblast is that when Ben was younger, his Heatblast form looked smaller and less stable, which shows that even aliens from the Omnitrix can evolve as Ben grows. And despite looking like pure fire, Heatblast is actually extremely durable. His rocky body protects him from explosions, impacts, and intense heat that would destroy most other creatures. 9. Humungusaur. Next, we have Humungusaur. If the problem can be solved by punching it really hard, this is the alien you want. Humungusaur already has incredible strength, but he can also grow even bigger, making him even stronger. He's fought giant robots, giant monsters, basically anything that requires dinosaur-level brute force. In some versions of the Omnitrix, Humungusaur can even evolve into Ultimate Humungusaur, a form with armored skin and explosive missiles, which turns an already powerful alien into something even more dangerous. 8. Big Chill. Now things get a little spooky. Meet Big Chill. He can fly, freeze enemies with alien ice, and most importantly, he can become intangible, which means he can pass straight through walls or enemies. Imagine fighting someone you can't even touch, who can also freeze everything around you. Yeah, not very fair. Big Chill also once went through a strange alien reproduction cycle, creating several small baby necrophrygians, which means that at one point, Ben accidentally became a parent as an alien. Definitely not something you expect from a superhero transformation. 7. Chromastone. Next up is Chromastone. This alien is basically a living crystal. His power is simple, but terrifying. He absorbs energy. Lasers, blasts, energy beams, everything becomes fuel. And then he can send that energy right back at his enemies. So basically, attacking Chromastone with energy is like charging his battery. Not the smartest move. 6. Feedback. Speaking of energy, here's feedback. This alien can absorb massive amounts of energy using the cables connected to his body. Then he releases that energy in powerful attacks. In other words, feedback is basically a living alien power outlet. If energy exists, he can probably absorb it. At one point, feedback even absorbed an enormous cosmic energy blast, something powerful enough to destroy huge areas, which proves his ability to handle energy is far beyond most aliens. 5. Upgrade. Now things get really interesting. This is Upgrade, a living alien made of advanced nanotechnology. Upgrade can merge with machines and improve any technology. Cars become faster, computers become smarter, weapons become stronger. But theoretically, he could also merge with something like a nuclear device and upgrade it too. So this small alien can potentially turn almost any machine into something far more dangerous. Upgrade belongs to a species called galvanic mechamorphs, living techno-organisms capable of bonding with machines, which means technology isn't just a tool for them, it's practically their natural environment. 4. Gravattack. Next we have Gravattack, an alien that controls gravity itself. He can crush enemies with gravitational force, make objects float, or pin opponents to the ground. And when you control gravity, you're basically controlling how everything around you moves, which makes Gravattack incredibly powerful. 3. Way big. If the problem is gigantic, Ben has a gigantic solution. Way big. This alien is literally the size of a skyscraper. He has enough strength to battle giant monsters and massive cosmic threats. And on top of that, he can fire huge cosmic energy beams. When Way Big shows up, the fight usually turns into a full-on kaiju battle. Way Big belongs to a species called the Tokastar, beings that are said to be born in powerful cosmic storms, which explains why their power operates on such a massive scale. 2. Clockwork. Now we're entering truly dangerous territory. This is Clockwork, an alien capable of controlling time itself. He can slow time down, speed it up, stop it, or even reverse events, which means he can literally undo things that already happened. Clockwork has even reversed massive time events before, showing that his abilities can affect entire timelines, not just small moments. And when someone controls time, beating them becomes extremely difficult. 1. Alien X. But no alien comes close to Alien X. When someone transforms into Alien X using the Omnitrix, something strange happens. The user's mind is transported to a cosmic dimension filled with stars, almost like a control room for the universe. Inside, 2 powerful entities represent Alien X's consciousness, and before anything can happen, they both need to agree on a decision. So, while a huge battle might be happening outside, inside Alien X's mind, there could basically be an endless cosmic debate. But when they finally agree, that's when the real power appears. Alien X is a celestial sapien, capable of controlling reality itself. He can stop time, create things from nothing, and even rewrite the universe. And who knows, maybe he could even reset everything, going back to the moment when a strange object fell from space and a kid named Ben Tennyson found the Omnitrix. The beginning of everything.